I'm going to be talking about the new keybind feature in boxcar and how it works. So the keybinds that can be assigned are assigned via the buttons menu. So it's like, for instance, we're going to do a keybind on the key F, and when I press F, I want to click the button grab. Then after grab completes, I want to click engage on this character, and then after that completes, I want to click aggro. The character I'm going to be driving with, which is the ranger, I also wanted to press the F hotkey in EverQuest. So it's going to register in EverQuest, but then also register with boxcar. It's going to happen both times. So essentially we're going to be pressing a button in the EverQuest game, a hotkey in the EverQuest game on the character I'm driving with, and then activating the 3 button clicks within boxcar to do a series of actions when I first come in. So basically my pull, I'm going to bring it in, I'm going to click one keybind on my keyboard, and it's going to execute all the things I would want to happen on a pull. So to start with that, we're just going to look at the first command that we want to do, which is this character's grab command. So I'm going to click edit on the button. Now, here you can see that there's the command and then the keybind. So the keybind, I'm going to set it to F, just like that. If you wanted to do like a modification, you would do Shift plus F, or Alt plus F, or Control plus F. Okay? All that information can be found in the help section. If you go to keybind, it'll explain to you, Shift plus Control F, mod key, going through. You can only use the supported keys that are listed in supported keys. It's not just like you can set it to whatever you want. It's just with the ones that are supported. But we'll go back, we'll set this one up. So we'll click right here on this. I'm going to set it to F, and I want this to happen first. So the key bind priority. This is if multiple keys have the same key bind, they're going to be executed in a specific order. Otherwise, the order is not guaranteed. If you set them all to 0, it's going to happen, and it could be a different order every time. So if you want a specific order, which I do, I want this to be, there's going to be, I think 3 total buttons, right? So 0, 1, and 2. 2 will be executed first. The higher the priority, the higher the priority. So 2 for the first action. We're going to click save. And now we'll go down to the next action, which is going to be the shaman slowing the target. So to do that, I just go down to the shaman, go to the slow, and I'm going to say F, and this is going to be 1. And then, going up to the last one, we'll go back to the tank, and we're going to have the tank grab, do an aggro. So we'll go F, and we'll say this is 0. Okay, now we'll click save. So that should be all set up now. Now, keybinds are only registered when this big menu is minimized. When you minimize it, it goes down to the taskbar here. You can get it again. There's also the ability to pause keybinds from right here. The reason you would want to pause keybinds is boxcar doesn't know if you're trying to type into this field. Boxcar doesn't know if you're wanting to use the web. It doesn't know. So if you're not actively pulling, not actively doing those things, and you want to be able to use your key because it's a common key that you use, you need to come over here, right click, and say pause keybinds. Now I can type F over here, and nothing happens. I'm going to resume keybinds, and we'll kind of get set up here. I'll just get ready to do some pulling. So I'm going to set my shaman up, and my SK up. So it's like I'll probably just have him right here. My SK is set up to be tank and assist, and my ranger is the puller. We'll just start by getting this set up, and we'll just pull this